Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. Today we are gonna trade real money, and you can learn from the examples. So, here's the disclaimer. This is for just educational purposes only. So, the market has opened almost at the same level, and now it's falling. I think it's retesting support. Let's see what will happen. Let's go through the yesterday's recap. What happened yesterday? So yesterday, after this W pattern, that is double bottom pattern, you can see that we have bought a call option somewhere in this candle. After that, what happened is that here we have hit the stop loss and we have exited the first trade, and immediately after that, after this bullish uh, hammer pattern, again we have bought a call option in this candle, but unfortunately again in this candle the stop loss was hit, and after the second stop loss we exited the market, and we didn't we closed the system, we didn't watch. But you can see that from here the market rallied. So at this point it took a support, that is 23,500. So we can note that point, and we can use it for the future purposes. So uh, you can see that the market hasn't even broken the previous resistance, that is this point. Unless or until the market closes above this point, we cannot assume it as a uptrend. So till then we will continue to assume it as a downtrend. You can see here that it's trying to form a bullish, but there are resistances here, so it may retrace to some point, and after that we will try to short. Hey guys, you might feel it boring because trades do not occur at the moment we start trading. So I will provide the trading time in the description box, so you can skip all the unwanted video and skip and directly go to the trade. So if you want to only watch the trades, you can go into the description box and click on the timestamps provided, so that way you won't be bored. And I hope you like the video. So let's see if any trade occurs. So you can see that we have shorted a call option, but I think already going to hit the stop loss. Yeah, it hit the stop loss already. So basically what happened is that I shorted the call option right after a bearish candle over here. Unfortunately, that was a bummer. We exited the trade. Let's see, this is the third trade in a row that we lost. If we can find any other trades. Now you can see that it is forming some kind of bullish pattern. See, from here it went up, and again here it is taking support and it is forming bullish pattern. But until or unless it crosses above this range, we cannot assume as it as a bullish pattern. That's why I'm not entering this trade. So let's see, let's wait till a perfect trend is established, and then only we'll trade, because already we have hit the first stop loss, and we hit the second stop loss. That's for the day. Today we missed a big rally because of we were uh, exited in the first half of the market, and we were not able to watch the second half because it will affect our psychology. and that's not a good thing for us. So wait till the perfect trend and clarity is established in the market. Until then, we will wait whether can get a better opportunity or not. Hey guys, it looks like market is becoming bullish after this pattern, but I want to be extra sure that we enter the second trade only after a much better pattern. So I have not entered a second trade. Let's see, because already we have hit the first stop loss and I don't want to end today's trade as fast as yesterday's. So that's why I'm waiting. Let's see what will happen. See guys, you can see that we know that it is a downtrend. So we have shorted after this big bearish engulfing candle. In this candle we have shorted the call option, but unfortunately it retested this pivot point and now it is trying to break and fall down. So it is also like a trap for the early entry people, and now it may fall this point. We haven't got our entry yet. After the trend is established, then we will enter a trade after a much profitable engulfing pattern. See, now it has broken. That's what I am saying. I thought that it will break at this point because there is a much space here to book profits. Unfortunately, we got into the trap and now it's slowly falling down. Let's see if we get any opportunity today's market, then only we will enter, or else we will wait and we will trade tomorrow. This seems like a trap for me. Unfortunately, we got trapped in this, and exactly from the pivot point started falling because of this big bullish candle. I was not sure whether to enter or not, but seems to be that we were right. Unfortunately, we lost a stop loss, and second one, we lost the opportunity also. Yesterday also the same thing happened. Yesterday somewhere here second trade we have entered, it retested a little below and it started rallying again. Today was the same problem. Let's see, let's wait. See guys, that's what we were expecting from here. Unfortunately, the strength of the candle alone is very powerful candle. This candle, there is a much bigger possibility that it would reach till this point, then take rebounds, then it may break this, reach around 23,250 point. So guys, now we can see that it is at the support of S4, and it is trying to break that. There can be reversal at this point as well, or else we can see that there can be a reversal at previously tested support, that is 23,500. I'm not sure whether to buy at this point or not. If you whatever you think about the first trade, or whether to buy here or not, you can post it in the comment section. I will definitely read that and I will take your suggestions. What should we do at this point? It is confusing because it looks like if you see the previous market, it is a downtrend. See, market has been falling and it hasn't broken the previous strong resistance. So whether it would be better to buy at this point or not, or else we would be trapped like before in the first trade. That's a big doubt I have. So what do you think? Should I enter a trade at this point or not? Please comment in the comment section, because we are all here to learn trading, and I would really like to interact with uh, people who are trading. And if anyone from professional trading experience, then I would love to hear from them, because I'm alone sitting here and reading books and trading. So it would be really nice to have someone to talk to and trade. Let's see. He's trying to form a bullish pattern on 73, 163. Let's see. This platform has a much lesser brokerage, and that's why I'm using it, but it gives a lot of trouble. Even sometimes the chart doesn't get updated on 50 and 40. So let's be ready if the market makes a move. Target, I just put it as a symbolic thing, but most of the times there is 48 seconds. So if it forms a bullish engulfing, then we will enter this trade. That's what I'm expecting. It may fall beyond this point. Market is really trying, because responsive buyers have been activated and they are trying to push the market up. So 147, and boom, have placed the trade and the order got complete filled. See, let's see. I may have done a mistake because uh, it hasn't formed exactly a what we say bearish engulfing pattern, but I hope that it turns out to be fine, because at least this time I haven't entered at some random point. This is a S4 support point. I hope you can see on the chart that it is at a S4 support point. So from here that I can expect a reversal from here. I think I want to modify this because 147 and the 151. What should I do? Because the traditional bullish engulfing patterns and all those are not obeying these days. That's why I'm trying to do a random thing and buy or sell at the pivot points. So unfortunately uh, we didn't have enough clarity to short here, but here we have taken a risk and we have shorted a put option. That is, we have gone in a long trade. Let's see how it may turn. And it really pains when your stop loss gets hit and all the emotion starts kicking in. And the big thing is that uh, should not repeating the same mistakes. But what can we do? After all, we are humans and sometimes we do the mistakes. Market is fighting. I'm sure about that at this point. There are pretty much chances that it may fall till here and trap the whoever buyers at this range, and from that point again it will start rallying. There is a huge possibility for that as well. So our stop loss is at somewhere at 157 and we have entered at somewhere 147. So we have a range of this much. So we will wait, see what will happen. And unlike yesterday we did option buying, which has a thing of concept of premium decay. So today, yesterday it was against us, and today the premium decay is on our side. So even if market goes sideways, also we will be able to make a little bit profit. Wow, let it make pattern in the bracket order. If we cancel the order, we will exit the trade as well. So that's the thing in the bracket order. I don't know whether it's the same in the international markets as well, like US. Yeah, this is uh, I'm trading in Indian stock market, so I don't know about foreign. But the trading methodologies I'm using, that is the technical analysis, would be applicable to all the markets and all the scenarios. So even if this is an Indian market I'm trading in, you can learn from the same concepts and apply them somewhere in different markets. Maybe there may be a tad bit of changes in the um, concepts, but not much. 90% of the strategies, 90% of the understanding will still hold good for other markets as well. I have also decided not to edit any of the videos of the live recording, and I will post them in a much unfiltered way so that you can mm, watch it and understand, and that would be in a much unfiltered way you can understand what's really going on. This is a option chart, right? But if you see the index chart, it doesn't look much attractive. Looks like it will break eventually. And there is a big bearish candle here, so it is also very difficult to break. And I feel like I have made a mistake here by entering at this point without any confirmation. But as I have already entered, so I'm not thinking about exiting that. I will stick to my trade, and if I hit the stop loss, then I will exit the market today and I will not take any other trade, because over trading is also very much uh, much worse than taking wrong trades, because over trading will make you unstable, and unfortunately you will end up risking more than what you have planned, and that will uh, blow your account within no time. So even though the trade I have taken at this, the only logic here is that here there is a market accumulation yesterday, and here I can see S4 pivot point is there, that is the support. So that was the only logic because of which I have entered this trade. And even if there is a big bearish candles on the top, I'm not gonna exit the trade. I will learn, I will see what are the mistakes and what things I could have done better, and then I will trade tomorrow. So that's the plan. Wow, we have almost reached 1:1 reward ratio. That is 147 to 137. That is 1:1. But I think there are pretty much higher chances that the market may reverse because this candle. But if it goes from here to this point also, we will be able to book a better risk to reward ratio. So you can see that we have almost more than 1:1. Sometimes it is very difficult to exit at 1:2 also. We will be waiting to book at a much better price, but unfortunately it's very difficult to exit the trade at the right point. See, now here you can see that whatever losses we have made in the first trade have gone, and now it will feel very tempting that I book whatever profits I have now and exit the trade. But if we do that, we won't be able to what we say go as per the plan, because every trade you take does matter. If you don't book at least 1 is to 2.5 to 3 and you exit at 1:1, you may end up making trades which are not that profitable. So always we have to be very patient and we have to exit at least for 1:2 reward ratio. And it is also very difficult. It will act on your psychology, so you have to work on it as well. In this trade, why I'm facing this is that because of this big bearish can, and buyers has to do a lot of work to break this and go on the upside. Don't know why, but I did take a risk. Could have taken the same risk here. Unfortunately, I'm taking it on the wrong side of the trade also. It will be a great lesson. Will be a lesson for me. Let's see how we end up today. If I am right, then shorted 16th Jan options because today is the expiry day also, weekly expiry of the Nifty 50 options. So I don't want to uh, trade in exactly today's expiry option. So I thought it would be better to trade in next week options. I took the positions in the 16th Jan options. That's interesting. Even though the candle in the index made a big move, it's not breaking this lower low point. It did break in the index candle. I hope I can show you. See, it broke and it's going higher. And on the other side, if you see in the option, the premium is not falling down. Now it has fell down, but on the other side, if you see, it has broken much higher. This option, I think, the decay will be very slow because it's already almost next week to 10 days, I think, or 10 days. 8 days are still left in this options to decay, so I'm not expecting much of a option decay in this one. Hmm. So you can see that now it's forming, going up. Somewhere it should retrace, right? Then we will form a bearish candle. At that point also we can exit the market, and at least we can cover the risk to whatever losses we made in the first trade. I know only last week Monday I have booked a 1:3, that is 3,200 profit. That is the highest, and the tolerance limit of taking much bigger profits increases with time, and my tolerance is almost at 1,500 to 2,000. So what we'll do is we'll book profits at 1:2 or 1:3, and we will slowly increase the tolerance, because sometimes what happens is that the market will reverse and we may lose confidence in ourselves and make more mistakes. So it would be better, that's what I'm thinking, that it would be better to book profits, uh, even those are 1:2 or 1:3, and slowly after we make some profits, we get the tolerance of staying in the trade for much longer so that we can book much better profits. See, there is a bearish engulfing pattern forming here, and oh, not even engulfing, it's very powerful one. The price is at 139, but this is not updating very fast. I think there is a problem with this platform itself. I will only exit the trade after the candle closes. The second possibility of this trade is that the market will again test this point, and this time it will form a better bullish engulfing pattern and it will reverse from this point. And that is also a possibility, but we don't know for sure. But if we exit at this point right now, we would be covering our losses in our previous trade. So let's see. Really difficult to decide to exit or not at such an early point. So what do you think? Whether do you think the way I'm trading is right or wrong? If you are profitable and already a experienced trader, I would like to take suggestions from you as well. Please uh, write, uh, post your comments in the comment section, and if possible, we can also do a podcast type of thing so that I can interact with subscribers and viewers, audience, and take their views on the trading as well. We can do a video on that if anyone's interested. I don't know why, but I think I should stay in this trade even though it's going in the losses, because 1:1 we have entered at a much better price, and if it retraces and again bounce back, then it will make a big bullish move, because yesterday it has already shown us that the previous points from where the market has reversed, there is a support in the downward side. So maybe that could also happen. Don't know, but prices are it's at 131, but it's not updating in this chart. You can see on the mobile phone 32, still showing 136 here. See, now it updated. Don't know, man. If anyone from the Kotak Securities platform is watching, please do something. I'm only using OBS Studio and only the Microsoft Edge software for trading. So from this candle, I will show you. These candle, you can see that there is a buying pressure coming as the market tries to move downward. There is a buying pressure coming. These wick means that lower price is getting rejected and market is again trying to move up. Even if it goes sideways, okay, we can wait in the trade and see. But if it breaks down, no, it will break down very fast and it will hit the stop loss. Because you can see this candle is so strong, man. Even this candle is shorter than this one. These both candles look like very powerful candles, and compared to any of the previous candles, see, one, two, three. These big candles, what does that mean? That means that big players like institutional players are in the game and they have shorted here, here, and here. From this point, see, 23,720, 23,620, 23,690. Almost every 100 points they are shorting. And here you can observe a pattern forming, that is 23,720 to 700 range they have started shorting. So 23,700, so this is again at the same range, 23,690 means 23,000 here, 23,700, and again here 23,600 they have started shorting. And there is a chance that they can start shorting at 23,500 and it will fall like this, because that's what I'm seeing in the chart. See, big candles are against us. Everything is in front of me, but these are the mistakes we do in trading. We go against what we see in the market. See, I was right in the morning because the big candles are already there. I shorted at this point, but unfortunately after hitting the stop loss, my market view has changed because this stop loss. And see, the losses can make uh, also change your market view. So after that, even though I'm seeing these two big candles, I didn't short at this point because of the stop loss I have faced here. And now because of the stop loss, I thought that it will go up, and there are very high chances that it will go down because of the big seller sitting here and the amount of pressure needed to move in the upward direction is very low. And also there is not that positive news in the market for the market to rally in the upward direction. Only thing is that yesterday it took support at this point and it had rallied, and it may not rally because here it has fell down slowly, but here it fell down very fast. Market within a short span of time, the market fell down. So that's what I'm reading from the charts. If you think my chart reading is biased, you can mention in the comment section. I'm thinking of exiting this trade if it forms a bearish engulfing. If it doesn't form a good enough bearish engulfing, then we will not exit the trade. Wow, formed a big bearish engulfing here. Oh, I'm thinking, let me see whether to exit or not. Pretty much see, is a bearish engulfing. This is not updating. Why, man? Should I do? See, you can see very perfect price action, bearish price action, and again a bearish candle forming, and all the previous bullish candles looks very weak, and it's very easy to break and will break, and it should be a lesson to me. I did a mistake and I will take this stop loss. I think I should brainstorm much more in order to see what's going on. See this, eventually it will hit this, that's for sure, but I will stay in the trade. After hitting the stop loss, I will close the market, and I will brainstorm, and I will not go against the market tomorrow. At least I need to learn that 4 trades in a loss, in a streak. Man, why are you not updating? You can see, see, it's almost breaking. Will maximize it for you to see. This is a variation of, we can call a evening star pattern, bullish candle, doji, and then a strong powerful bearish candle. I'm not exiting this trade. I need to take pause here because I shouldn't repeat mistake. So it has to break this support for it to hit my stop loss, or the volatility has to increase a lot in order for it to hit the stop loss. So my stop loss is 157. Let's see whether it gets hit or not. My understanding is that there is 80% chances that my stop loss will get hit and will exit the trade, and a 20% chance that the market will reverse from this point and make higher high, and we will make a profit from this second trade. So what would it be? If you like this initiative of trading in a practical way and sharing exactly the same exact strategy with you guys, the only thing I ask you is that please like and subscribe to the channel. If possible, if anyone in your circle is a trader and they want to learn trading, you can also share the channel link with them. The only thing that will let us know that you guys are interested in such videos is that likes and subscribes. So I would really like if someone likes and subscribes. At least if you don't like or subscribe, you can also mention in the comment section that you like the video, you like this initiative, or also you can suggest me what you would like to see. I have seen a lot of comments recently about the crypto market, but unfortunately I don't have any knowledge on that, so that's why I'm not making a video. I don't want to misguide my subscribers or my viewers, just for the sake of views and likes. So if genuinely if I know anything about it, I will definitely post, but right now I'm not able to concentrate on this and that. I'm not posting, but in future, if there is a possibility, then I would like to post on your suggestions as well. So I really thank the people, whoever has made the effort to put in the comment sections. I think 4 or 5 people. Thank you for letting me know, but I don't because I don't have appropriate knowledge about the crypto markets. That's why I was not able to make videos on that. But these things, whatever I'm doing here, you only using technical analysis, these are applicable in every kind of market. So the platform based questions, whatever key you are asking for, I didn't know about it, so I'm not making a video right now, but if I know, I will definitely make a video on that. Close this. Right. Okay. One thing is for sure, that if you sell options, you will stay in the trade for a longer time than when you buy options. When you buy options, if the market doesn't move very fast in your direction, and or else it moves against you, your stop loss will get hit very fast and you will end up losing the trade. But on the other side, if you are on the selling side, that's not the case. You will be in the trade for a very long time because the option premium gets decaying. I will show you one thing. Even though this is making a bullish candle, on the other side you can see that it is not making a bearish candle. No, 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 no. This platform is stuck. See, after that I clicked it multiple times, it updated the chart. Man, I was confused why it is not making a bullish pattern. Sorry, bearish one here. This is a bearish one, as we have shorted the put option. See, this is entry. Guys, one thing I have glad about is that you must read The Secrets of Pivot Boss book. It is a very, very informative and a very eye-opening book for traders. I have read it recently. If you would like to buy a book, I would recommend you to buy from the link provided in the description box. If you buy from the links in our description box, that would be a really helpful thing and support this channel to make videos much longer duration. So go and check out in the description box Amazon link of The Secrets of Pivot Boss book. It is really nice book and everyone should read. The first one I recommend is that Japanese Candlestick Patterns by Steve Nissen book. That's a great book, very informative, and it is the minimum knowledge you need to learn for you to become a good enough trader. That is a bare minimum you should know. If you don't know that, I don't think you can become a trader. That's the first book, and this is a little bit advanced knowledge on that. And Secrets of Pivot Boss is a great book. It has helped me a lot. So if you uh, want to read that, and if you want to buy, you can definitely try out in the description box link. And I shouldn't be saying this, but uh, in many of the website on the internet, these all these resources are available for free as well. You can also download from them, but I would recommend the actual physical copy of the book, because reading in a physical copy is much feels much better. If you read from the physical copy, I think it is much more effective in the sense that you will learn, and it you can keep on turning the pages, and it's great. So I wouldn't recommend from reading a PDF. So if you want to buy that, you can buy from the description. Even if you other than that, Japanese candlestick patterns by Steve Neeson, also you can buy from the description link in the description box below. That would also help us. We'll show you the charts of the index. See, here we have entered a trade, went up, it went down. Now it has showing us a little bit bullish pattern, but don't get fooled by that. Yesterday we did the same thing. See, after this bullish candle, double bottom pattern, we have entered here, but unfortunately we hit the stop loss. Same S4 support point, hit the stop loss, and we exited the trade. It may repeat here as well, but let's see. We will stay in the trade, because over trading is also not good for us. So we'll wait. If it's a mistake, let it be. Let us learn from the mistake instead of just exiting and taking multiple trades. It is better to do a mistake and learn from that, and after a certain time we will try not to repeat the same mistake. Here it's not updating the charts. You can see there's a big bearish candle forming. Can become sideways, or it will break down this support. My god, that's a strong candle. Now it has created. 137. There is a buying opportunity. Go into that. Let's stick to our trade. Let's refresh. Let me zoom it for you guys. So viewers, uh, are there any profitable strategies that you are using other than this? Please mention in the comment section. If you anyone has uh, much better profitable trading strategies, you can comment. I will reach you out and we'll make a video. We all are here to learn, and it would be really helpful if any one of you is willing to contribute to the channel. Any better trading up strategy you have or any ideas on trading, then you can always put in the comment section. I will reach you out as soon as possible, and we can share those strategies with our viewers as well. So we may hit the stop loss now because you can see that is breaking the lows, and we may hit the stop loss and we will exit the trade. Okay, it's all natural to for this to happen. So okay, even though we have entered at this candle, crossing this, till our stop loss didn't get hit. That's the plus point in option selling, that your stop loss won't get hit that easily as in the case of option buying. That's great, man. At least our stop loss didn't get hit that easily, even though see in falling crossing this point. We have exit till here, so I think we can still wait. If the market reverses at this point also, we have still opportunity left. Let's see. Other thing that's I'm thinking I want to share with you guys is that after all this selling pressure, after this much of movement, at some point the option, the selling pressure would have dried up. Get what I'm saying, right? After some point, option selling pressure has to dry up. At least they have to wait for rebounds, and they will start, you know, again selling. You say again shorting the market. So at least somewhere it has to take the support and it has to rebounds, and after that it will again fall. So that should also happen, right? What I'm thinking. So that has, see here, some uh, rebounding has happened and it has again going down, but it's not a significant move, right? Unless or until something very bad has going globally and something so negative in the market, then only it will fall down. If there's nothing that of a big negative in the market news, then eventually the selling pressure has to dry out and it should reverse, right? I may be wrong. I may be wrong. I'm not saying that I'm right, but I may be wrong. But still, I wanted you to know that there is some possibility of uh, at some point that the selling pressure, or even if you take that point, even the buying pressure also has to dry out. There could be these selling pressure could dry out as well. It hits the stop loss problem. We have to accept our mistake and we will move on. If it goes in our direction, even that would be great for us. We'll take the profit and go home. If we hit the stop loss, then we will take the learnings home. Anyway, in both ways, it's beneficial. So, which markets are you trading, guys? If you are trading in Indian markets, please let me know in the description box, or else if you are trading in forex market, you can let me know in the comments. Other than that, if you are trading in US markets, European markets, or Asian markets, where whatever you may be trading, you can mention it, and I would really love to know what you are interested in, and also I can explore them. The thing is that the forex trading is banned in India, so I may not be able to trade in forex market from India. So I would really love to do the analysis video on that, but I cannot trade unless or I move to Dubai or USA. So just let me know. I would really love to know what you guys are trading and where you are interested in, because these concepts are applicable everywhere. This technical analysis, bullish, bearish patterns, everything is applicable in every market candlestick patterns. Even though if I may not trade in the crypto or forex markets or US markets anywhere in the world, I would really like to do analysis videos on them as well. You can see why I'm clicking on it multiple times is that the chart is not getting updated. I don't know what the problem is, but there are issues on the Kotak Securities side. Same, they are using TradingView media only for the charts. You can see here TradingView. So still this is not getting updated so fast as this is getting up. There may be a lot of silence in between, but very difficult to watch this big of a video. But I want it to be as natural as possible because in real trading it's very boring. It takes a lot of patience, lots and lots of patience, lots of self control, emotional control, psychology goes into trading. So that's why I think that it would be better to make a videos of this length because it is in the true essence that you are learning the trading, not just theoretical. You are really understanding the essence of trading, what goes into trading. That's why I'm not making a short form videos. I'm making this long form videos just for the sake for you to understand really what goes in this thing. Takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, capital, a lot of learning, of patience, lot of emotional control. And I want all of my viewers and audience to know the truth, not like everyone posting on social media of buying Ferrari, Lamborghini, not as fancy as it looks. It takes a lot of hard work and a lot of stress goes into this work. So be practical, learn practical, think practical. Here we are not here to give any false hopes that in a single day you can make millions of dollars. Maybe some people are making, but when you before that there has to be a lot of work done in the background. It's not like they're coming and suddenly they are becoming millionaires like that. It takes a lot of work, lot of training to become profitable. And that's what I want my viewers to understand, that it takes all of this. Let me show you the actual chart. This is the option chart. This is the index chart. It is trying to bounce from this support point multiple times, and the more time it spends at this price range, there are higher probability that it will break this, because you can see that here the market has stayed a long time. It didn't break on the upside, but I thought it would break on the upside. Eventually it broke downwards. Again at the same point it took resistance, same range, and from there again it has started falling. So if it's spending a lot of time here means that it may break out in the downward direction. Because after touching this price, it's not bouncing back. Means that sellers are getting activated everywhere in between this range. That means that a lot more people are interested to sell rather than buying. If it is a strong support, should have bounced, but could have also been that it's slowly absorbing the selling pressure at this point, or the thing is that selling pressure has dried out this point. That's why either it is not going down or not going up. Could be any of those, right? Be any of those, and we don't know exactly which one is the true case scenario unless or until it breaks out on either of the sides. Third option is that it will simply be sideways. It will go up, down, and it will end up sideways today. Is also the one of the possible case scenarios. Because of that, we are on the option selling side. You can see the profits here. Only because there is a option decay. What is occurring, and that's why we are still in the trade, even though it's the lowest point. We didn't hit it. We entered at a much better risk to reward ratio, much better price point. We have entered the trade. That's why it didn't hit our stop loss. This time, if it goes down, then our stop loss will get. That is not updated. He's trying. It is trying a lot. As I have told you, we have went against the market, but still I'm not exiting because I want to stick to this trade and see what happens till the end. Let it hit the stop loss, no problem, but I want to stick to this trade, whatever the case scenario. The market is fighting, guys. It's trying to close below, but you can see the big wicks are forming for you. Every time it is trying to go down, you see these wicks. There's a price rejection on the lower side, and on the upper side there are no price rejections. Maybe at this point you can see some rejections, but at this point you don't see any price rejection. There are true that there are big bearish candles, but let's see. Looks like it's going sideways. It's good for us. This one is not updated. After this candle closes, I will take a short break and I will come back. We can still the recording will be going on of the trade and watch the trade. Guys, I'm taking a short break and I will be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. My god, I missed it. See, this is what I was expecting. My god, happened. We're almost more than 1:2. We stay in the trade or not? Oh, this was what I was expecting. And I think we should have exited here because of what we call the bearish. Bear start will get start activated at here. We should exit somewhere. Oh my god, what should I do? So I have exited the trade, guys. I'll show you. Not exactly where I should have exited, but uh, okay, because here the bears will get activated, and that's what happening. Was little late, unfortunately. Refresh it again and see what is the lowest point that it has reached. Positions. We have exited the second trade. We have made a profit of 2055. So the lowest point it reached is 110, near 110 rupees. So we have exited. Let's see the details. Shorted at around 147 and exited at around 119 rupees. So we have lost 10 rupees. That's almost 1:1 profit. So no issues. I was away, but we did profit. We did book profit more than 1:2. That is 1:2.6 or 7. 3 sevens are 20. Nearly at around 1:3, and it's a good risk to reward ratio. And we have taken two trades. One trade was a loss, that is the first one, minus 750 rupees, and the second one is 2055 rupees is the second one profit. So after subtracting this one, we have left with 1305 rupees. So I will close the trading today. So let's take overview. So yesterday we did lose two trades. First one is that we have we have bought after a bullish engulfing pattern, this one after a double bottom, and here we have entered, but unfortunately we hit the stop loss. And in the second trade after this hammer pattern, we have entered somewhere here and we hit the stop loss. So that was a yesterday recap. And today market have opened at the same level, a little bit gap up, and it started falling down. And what we did was that after rebounds we have shorted after this candle. After the completion of this big bearish candle at here, we have shorted, but unfortunately our stop loss got hit. We got trapped in this um, trap, and after that market fell down. Our conviction was right, but because of this we got trapped. In the second trade, what we did was we entered at S4 pivot point. We have bought, that is we went long. We shorted a put option, and somewhere here we have exited. We should have exited here, but I was away, and there is always a confusion of whether to exit or not at some points. We have exited that trade. We have booked the profit of 1 is to almost 3, not exactly 3. So I think we have booked profit, so we should take a break, and we will trade tomorrow with a fresh mind, and that would be better for us. So I'm closing the system now. So I will update, I will post this video, and after that I will close the system. I will not take any other trades for today. So thank you guys for watching, and if you really like this initiative, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you buy microphone or the books I mentioned from the links provided in the description box, that would be really helpful for the channel to grow further in the future. And also, as I have mentioned, if any one of you have any suggestions how we are practically testing out these strategies, we are not using any softwares and no any artificial intelligence we are using not using in this trading. We are trading only with hands, with I'm a person sitting here and trading all day. So it's a manual trading. In future we are planning to use algorithmic trading as well as AI trading. I don't know. I would learn. I would love to learn all that from scratch. I don't know programming, but we are planning to do all of those in this channel in the future. So for please encourage us, and please like, subscribe, and mention in the in the comment section what you like, what you don't like, what you would suggest to improve trading, or whatever things you would like me to do in the future as well. So that's it guys for today. I will post this video as soon as possible, and after that I will close the chats today. So please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Goodbye, or not goodbye, we'll meet tomorrow. Bye guys. Bye. Just testing the mic. Bye. Now really I'm saying bye.